So now we're painting 20 degrees to our left over here in that dark, ugly part of the sky. And we have asymmetry in the horizontal, in the vertical paint, meaning these two modes here are both weather. And that's this, a little better defined. So if we put it back in the horizontal mode for a second, you'll see where we're painting, it's way over there. And there are two modes, and they are slipping off our left wing, no problem. And ATC graciously gave us Romeo Bravo Sierra VOR, which puts us, you know, to the northwest of that weather. So that was appreciated. We would have done the same thing. We told them we were going to deviate, but they didn't believe us, so they gave us the deviation anyway. Dick Rochfort, fly safely.
November 24 Romeo area of moderate to extreme
Train off.
precipitation between 9 o'clock and 12 o'clock, 35 miles. There's about 20 miles in diameter and just to the left or south-southeast of your route of flight direct to Roberts.